Hey everyone, welcome back to Balanced Life Hub. Today I'm sharing 15 powerful tips to improve your English speaking skills. If you want to speak confidently, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Learn words through phrases instead of memorizing single words. Learn full phrases. This makes speaking more natural and effortless. Instead of morning, learn good morning. How was your night? Instead of thanks, learn thanks for your help. I appreciate it. Action step. Write down 5 phrases today and start using them in conversations. Tip 2. Watch videos with subtitles. Pick a YouTube video, TV show, or movie and turn on subtitles. Read along while listening. This helps you improve pronunciation, recognize sentence patterns, understand context better. Challenge. Watch one short video today without subtitles and see how much you understand. Tip 3. Think in English. Thinking in English will help you speak faster and more naturally. Start by describing what you're doing. I'm brushing my teeth. I need to buy groceries. Bonus. Try speaking your thoughts out loud. Tip 4. Use learning apps like Duolingo, BBC Learning English, Elsa Speak, or even your phone's voice recorder can help you improve. Record yourself speaking for 30 seconds, then listen and correct your mistakes. Tip 5. Expand vocabulary by reading. Reading helps you learn new words in context and improves your sentence structure. Read articles, blogs, or books that interest you. Challenge. Find 5 new words today, write them in a notebook, and use them in a sentence. Tip 6. Talk to yourself sounds crazy, but talking to yourself trains your brain to think in English. Try explaining your daily routine, your plans, or even your emotions in English. Tip 7. Listen and repeat. Shadowing. Repeat after a native speaker to copy their pronunciation and rhythm. Listen to a phrase, pause, and repeat it exactly as they say it. Try this with your favorite English songs or podcasts. Tip 8. Prepare for daily conversations before going out. Think of possible conversations. Ordering food, asking for directions, talking to friends. Challenge. Write 3 common conversations you might have and practice them out loud. Tip 9. Speak with native speakers. Find language exchange partners online. Apps like Tandem, HelloTalk, or Speaky help you connect with native speakers worldwide. Tip 10. Know your audience. Adjust your tone and words based on who you're speaking with. Casual with friends, formal with teachers or professionals. Tip. Listen to how native speakers adjust their tone in different situations. Tip 11. Ask for feedback. If you're not sure how you sound, ask a friend or teacher for honest feedback. Don't take mistakes personally. They help you grow. Challenge. Ask someone today, how can I improve my English speaking? Tip 12. Avoid reading directly. Use an outline. Instead of reading a speech word for word, use bullet points to guide you. This makes you sound more natural and confident when speaking. Tip 13. Shadow slower audio lessons. If fast speech is difficult, start with slower English podcasts or audiobooks. Try pausing and repeating sentences slowly before increasing your speed. Tip 14. Keep practicing. Daily consistency is key. Practice speaking for at least 5 minutes every day. Challenge. Record yourself every week and compare your progress. Tip 15. Stay positive and never give up. Learning English takes time, but don't be afraid to make mistakes. Keep practicing, stay confident, have fun. Thanks for watching Balanced Life Hub. If you found these tips useful, like, share, and subscribe for more self-improvement videos. Which tip are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. See you next time.